Hit me up with a thumbnail real quick. But like, look at that. I mean, come on. Look how perfect that is. Yeah, like with the sun and everything, I was like, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Joe What Else YouTube channel. And today I got Nate here again. We're down here at the Cape Cod Canal. Now, I'm gonna try and use freshwater lures to catch a striper, mainly because I was kind of too lazy to go to the bait and tackle shop and buy new saltwater lures. So I have a couple, we'll see, but I'm gonna try and stick to doing the challenge to see if I can catch something with a freshwater lure for fun, and Nate's gonna do it the right way. He's got the right stuff. Woo. Also, today's comment of the day is gonna be popping up on the bottom of the screen, so thank you, I appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for your chance to be featured in the next comment of the day. So here's my selection. I mean, if you think about it, right? So this is actually one thing that this is the only saltwater lure I have. Look at this. This is the only one I have. I feel like if I were to try a craw with a jig, something like this, this could be the sauce. But for now, I'm gonna try the only saltwater lure I have and then go from there. Because we can only go down. So let's start at the top. All right. It's been a minute since I used a spinning reel, so this should be interesting. Spinning reel swim bait. Like a little swim bait. Why do I feel like this is backwards? It is backwards, I knew it. I always find it weird that you fish lefty when you fish with spinning reels. Yeah, there we go. We got that hyper view for this video. Because we're on the canal. I'm gonna hit this tree. Yeah, it's probably the only tree on the canal, dude, and I just fished straight into it. Hey, what are you gonna do when I catch one before you're even ready? And it's the opposite of what happened the last time. Last time I was trying to get the drone to work and Nate caught a fish. Flip-flops might have been a bad idea for today. What do you got, Nate? Let me see it. Show it to the camera so they can see what a real lure looks like. You didn't see that?
Yeah, it's rigged.
He's embarrassed. He doesn't want to show you guys. I'm just waiting till I'm not like balanced. It'll be the 1 second I'm not balanced, dude. I'm just chilling here. That a hog just rips this thing. Watch. So for anybody wondering, we're also here at what apparently was very conflicting for us to find is supposed to be high tide. So, are we here at what was supposed to be the change of high tide, Ned, or an hour after? Where were we again? What? Where were we on the title chart?
High tide's in an hour.
Okay, so we're an hour before what was supposed to be high tide.
Yeah, about an hour.
About an hour? Okay. We got yelled at by some guy when we tried to fish the other side of the bridge that we were fishing too close to him, and sadly I didn't have the camera going to show you guys. But Kyle doesn't want us fishing over where we wanted to, so here we are. You know what, I bet you every day that guy tries to fight for that spot and probably loses it. It's probably why he was so mad. I bet you there's like some unknown rivalry we don't know about. So for us, we just show up, try to fish it, and he's like, are you guys kidding me? I finally got here in time, and somebody's gonna show up and just start fishing it? Yeah, like, he's been doing it for years. He never quite gets the luxury of being able to do it.
Why did you have the camera rolling, dude?
Huh? Why didn't I? I know, rookie mistake, dude. I said rookie mistake. That's why you always leave the camera going. I wonder how deep it goes if I just let it sink. You know how deep the canal is? I mean, I know it's deep, but...
You're gonna think of what goes through.
Dude, it's actually not... Oh, it's still going. Look at it. Oh no, now it's getting sucked out. Yeah, I know, that's what I was wondering. It's only the main route, dude, for a lot of trading, you know, between the north and the south. No big deal. Nothing really big comes through here, especially from like Canada or something. See, I've caught striper on swim baits like this. That's the only reason why I'm using it.
Oh, that's exactly what I was talking about.
Yeah, these are the swim baits I always use.
Remember when I caught that striper out on your boat?
Yeah.
It was using that.
Yeah, exactly. It was probably this exact one because I've had him for that long. You know what's interesting is that the tide's flowing this way, yet the wind's coming this way. So it's actually the opposite of how you normally would fish. For freshwater at least. Freshwater, you always follow the wind and fish against it. Whereas here, we would look like swim baits going against the tide now. I'm just holding it out there and I'm just gonna let it swim against the tide. It's funny how one side is super cloudy where you can tell rain is coming, and that way is gorgeous. It's literally a straight line. That's kind of cool. You see that, Nate? If you look straight ahead, the sky just goes in a straight line.
You do what? Oh, yeah.
Man's got a yacht out here.
Good weekend, sporter.
And welcome to Cape, where every boat looks like that when you pull up to a marina.
You're not swimming the canal because a boat will hit you. It's also because the current going through here is rips.
Oh my God, this feels so much weirder than mine. Huh? Yours feels... This is so much different, wow. The tide's starting to pick up. You can tell because look how hard that guy's shoving it. He's still going like 20 miles an hour, not even. What is it stuck on? Because it looks like it's moving whatever it's stuck on.
Dude, I don't understand is it's like taking any line I give it.
Yeah.
Like,
You're hooked on like a ray and you don't even know it. Like,
I'm reeling in the cable line. Don't worry, it's just the BIOS line.
all of a sudden F-16s from Otis start flying over our heads. What? You found the biggest chunk of seaweed and got stuck on it somehow. You want to go closer down there now? Yeah, we should go down there now. The other guy left though, which we should anyways. Yep, you found the seaweed, that's right. Dude, I'm not turning the camera off anymore because Nate almost just ate shit and caught himself in a rock. A rock went 90 degrees.
Hit you with this.
A rock went 90 degrees and Nate almost just ate it and saved himself, but I wasn't recording. So that's two really good things I've missed on video now today, so.
Hold on while I call my cardiologist.
Dude, it got cloudy quick.
Yeah, I noticed that.
I mean, that's actually good for us though. Yeah, let's try here before going over there. Because the tide's going this way now.
I can't believe the speed at which the tide just switched.
Yeah, I think right here.
We really got here during the slack. Now it's moving.
Yeah, that's 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes, that's how long slack tide lasts. I just totally rocked this bush behind me. Oh yeah, it would always be the same direction, wouldn't it? How does that, that's so weird.
That is a very interesting question. I've never thought about it.
Would it change? Wait, what if it would change from season to season? I never thought about that.
Because like the Gulf Stream changes direction. So there's multiple others, Labrador, I mean they're all over the place. But like they don't change their direction because they're constantly moving. The thermal time is constant.
Well, it's because everywhere else the tide's either coming in or going out. You know what I mean? Like here, it's going through.
Yeah.
So I guess it's not really relevant in many other places. I guess only canals is where that matters, and there's not many of them. I expected way more flow.
There's no wind either.
As you say that, the wind gusts. Like, look how much water's already gone away. Like, you can tell where the water was when we first got here, because it's black, to now. I'm just surprised. I would have thought we got something by now. It being cloudy like this is really good and cool. You know what I mean? I ain't seen anything. What's crazy though is like we could have been over here this whole time. We could walk over the other side and get a bite immediately. You know what I mean? Like,
I know.
that's just how fishing is. You just might not be on top of them, and then you move, and next thing you know, boom! We came here, we tried. We didn't try really hard, so we'll have to come back again and try hard. You know, we kind of did this on a whim, and yeah, it just didn't really work out. All right, guys, so Nate gave up a little while ago. Did I even have that? There we go. So Nate gave up a little while ago. I'm giving up right now. We tried, we didn't catch anything. We're out here for a while. High tide, tide going out, nothing, cloudy. We'll try again another day and actually try hard. Maybe stop at the store and get some stuff, so. But with that bad news, yeah, it's gonna do it. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.